So here we go again, Marianne and Sylvia and I, to this beautiful paradise full of apples. It's already quite late, it's October, but there are some apple trees that are ready now or even later in November. Yeah, and you can also swing on the trees. We are quite experienced by now with collecting and picking apples. Yeah, here you see quite some. Yeah, this is finally all we got. It's quite a lot. About 30 kilograms. And these beautiful birds. Yeah, it was quite a walk and it was heavy. Marianne said it's as heavy as cat litter, stones, pebbles, you know, the stuff you put in your cat's restroom box. And here we have a little picnic, a rest in between before we walk again. It's on a little harbor on the river Elbe. And this is my late birthday cake. Very yummy.
Bitteschön.
And now we walk on something we call Deich. It's a little hill in front of the river. So in case there is a flood, you'll be safe. Yeah. And some further we go. All here in the north is very flat. We have usually no hills and no mountains. So you have a great view far, far beyond. And this plant is called Rote Dorn, red thorn. You can actually eat the little red fruits. Yeah. And here I try to manage my camera and my focus and try to manage to walk. And yeah. Sorry. It's quite shaky. Oh, nature is so calming. And here we are on the way to the beach. Can you see the lines on the ground in the sand? These are patterns from the water where the water has been, and I think it's quite impressive to have water, sand and trees like a beach in a forest. Yeah, the colors are so beautiful. Even if it's dried, this little flower is it's marvelous. Yeah, and you see, now in autumn the color are totally different. It's all grayish or beige. Still beautiful. Yeah, and here is a little picnic place where you want to sit for a while and cook some pancakes. And as you can see, we have a cooking device, a mobile cooking tool with fire, but it's not working very good. There is on top something like a pan. I thought it's because of the wind. It's quite windy that the fire is going out, but the fire is very well. But the pan is on top of this shield and it's too far away. The fire is burning, but the pan is not hot enough. So here we are discussing what to do. Usually when you take this little bowl tool, it works very good because the bowl is right on the fire. So we changed it and made our pancakes in a bowl. Take some butter.
Nein, damit man die Pfanne sieht, habe ich das.
And now you see it's hot enough, so the butter is melting.
Zumindest brotzelt schon mal hier besser. Das sprichst du. Genau. Butter ist vorher auch geschmolzen. So, ich wage es.
Yeah. And now she's trying. We prepared, or she prepared, so we prepared the pancake dough at home. And it's a special kind of flour. I don't know the English name for it. It's very organic and very whole grain. Yeah, you can see it's quite come a long way.
Und das hier ist dieses selbstgemachte Kimchi mit
Yeah.
selbst
And here is a variety of different yummy homemade glasses which we put on our pancakes.
Und das hier ist
Zwetschgenmus, genau.
oder Zwetschgen.
we go. We were quite hungry, you know, all day long on the fresh air and walking, so we ate a lot. It was really windy this day. And beautiful birds. It was a little cold, but it was alright. The water and the waves are still so inviting. So yeah, no matter what, with a warm jacket, it's alright. It's still nice. Here you can see the tide working its magic. Is coming nearer and nearer. Yeah, and it was late and colder, so our last view and going home to the city. Yeah, bye bye. And thank you for watching. I hope you go out as well in nature and enjoy yourself. Bye bye.